Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to explain you the differences between a database and a DBMS. Most beginners have this doubt in their mind, so for ease I have explained this topic in a very beginner friendly way. So let's get started. Databases are just a set of related data which is highly organized. So database is just some data stored somewhere. The data is usually a lot of bits stored on a disk. Even a register or a book could be a database. Like in the olden times, people used to store the data in the books to retain them. Production ready databases, the databases that are used on big web apps, on big applications, they are made using complex design and are usually they are very complex because there is a lot of data to store and relate to. The database is a very simple thing as it is just some bits stored on the disk. Now let's talk about DBMS, which is my favorite part. So DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a piece of software that provides easy access to the database and provides us with features that can be performed on the database, like creation, reading, updation and deletion of existing data in the database. And it also provides some more complex features like administration and replication of the data in the database. So DBMS is the thing that provides us all the access to the database. It is a set of computer software that is used to gain access to the database. So to simplify it a little bit, I would say that a database is very simple as it is just an organized storage of data. The DBMS is the thing that helps you interact with the data stored in the database using certain features. I'll explain the role of database and DBMS with an analogy. Suppose a very fancy restaurant presents its salad in a very great way. So at first the restaurant has the vegetables from which it prepares the salad. Like they could be carrots, tomatoes and lettuce. So these vegetables are data in this analogy, so I'll mark them as data. So the cupboards they are stored in cartons or cupboards, such that the carrots are in one carton, the lettuce is in one carton and the tomatoes is in one carton. So this is a database because they are stored in an organized way. So the chef has a knife to cut the salad. So here the chef is you who wants to perform some operations on the data in the database. So you would pick up some carrots from the database and you would cut it, which is performing an operation on the data in a database. So here the chef is cutting the vegetables, which is performing operations on data in a database. So the knife is the DBMS. I'll mark it. The knife is DBMS and this chef is you. So the knife helps you cut the vegetables or perform some operations on the data. The prepared presentable salad is the application where the data is populated. It could be an Android app, it could be a web app, or it could be anything. It could be an IoT device. DBMS are also classified according to the data modeling paradigms. Like it was written, data modeling paradigms are of a lot of types. The main ones are relational, document and object oriented. I would discuss more about data modeling paradigms in the upcoming videos on this channel. I hope you understood the differences between database and a DBMS. You can consider subscribing if you would like to watch more related content. Also, likes and shares of this video are highly appreciated. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.